Hello friends, today's topic 2024 markets up or down, for and against arguments. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of the society. The sentiment among experts, analysts and investors is the same. 2024 is likely to be a good year for Indian stock markets, just like how 2023 was. However, sometimes when there are high expectations from everybody, there is a high chance of being disappointed too. Many experts are advising investors to keep realistic expectations with respect to markets, especially in 2024. Don't take markets for granted and become overconfident. Stick to only fundamentally strong companies and invest in a disciplined way every month. The following are some points from an article on moneycontrol.com which states the reasons supporting and opposing market uptrend in 2024. Point number one, FIs are waiting to invest large amounts of money in Indian markets. Opposing view, as data shows, FIs are momentum investors. They change their investment pattern very quickly depending on the news and developments in the global economy. They may stop investing or sell anytime when they find better opportunities in other stock markets. Point number two, retail investors are very mature now. They will keep investing through SIP every month irrespective of market situation. Opposing view, most of the investors have not seen a proper bear market or prolonged downtrend. When the market touched a new high in October 2021 and traded sideways for more than a year, many mutual fund investors had begun to lose patience. It is psychologically very difficult to hold stocks when they are crashing and the sentiment in the markets is very pessimistic. This is why long-term investments are tough. Point number three, US Federal Reserve is likely to cut interest rates which will lead to higher FIIs flow to India and other emerging markets. Opposing view, since it is expected that US Fed will cut interest rates, our markets have already factored in the expectations by rallying a lot. Markets may fall when the actual rate cut is done by the Federal Reserve. Now, here is an announcement regarding our free webinar on secrets of stock market happening on Sunday, 31st December, 3 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. Cost of the webinar is 499 and for the first 75 participants, it is absolutely complimentary. The total seats in the webinar finally is only 150 and that is for the first come first serve basis. Something to understand at this juncture for all investors is right now the markets are trading at around 21,700 having come down from 21,800. That means in the last few months markets have rallied more than 10% and then there is a prediction that in 2024 end the markets may reach somewhere around 25,000 as narrated in our video yesterday. These many points in the stock market going up means at least 15 to 20% profits in the next 1 year which you will be missing. That is why we are going to give an idea of how much is the profits in the past in the stock market in long term and short term and looking at it you can guess what will be the future profits. Basic fundamental analysis you will learn in a brief manner in our webinar and by learning which and investing in by learning which and investing for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years, maybe you will amass in crores, not in lakhs, and you can offset your children's education, marriage, and also your retirement corpus. Something very interesting, you may ask me a question, where is that 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 years time span with me? When you invest for insurance or investing in RD or in PPF, you are always thinking of 10, 15, 20, 25 years and probably in those instruments you get 50 to 60 lakhs for retirement but the same thing may give you a profit of crores and crores in the fundamental analysis and learning to invest in the right kind of stocks. And one more interesting thing to know is that you may not invest all your money in the stock market, maybe 3,000, 5,000, even 8 or 10,000 on a long term will result into crores. Now coming to the basic technical analysis. Many people feel they need to have some extra money every month, maybe 10, 20, 30,000, etc. By learning technical analysis, you can make that kind of a money, and that money you can offset for expenditure and also improve your lifestyle. You may be curious to know how to register for this webinar. We could have given the link directly, but that way many uninterested people would come, and hence our idea is that you must send an email to successdigest@gmail.com and the subject Kannada webinar with your name and mobile number. You get the link. We are hoping on Sunday you will come and take the benefit of the webinar. Now point number 4, why market could be going up in the year 2024. BJP victory in the union elections is guaranteed. Opposing view, although BJP's victory is looking likely compared to the opposition, markets will take into consideration margin of victory. So the margin of victory is lesser than expected. It could be perceived negatively by the stock market. Point number 5, valuations of Indian markets is high since it is one of the most attractive markets globally. Opposing view, high valuations will limit the chance of upside since at some point investors will start profit booking and push markets lower. Point number 6, quarterly results will be good and hence push markets higher. Opposing view, already most stocks in the markets are trading at higher valuations, expecting a good result and overall good performance by markets. The results are below expectations. It will encourage investors to sell and book profits. 2024 will be a very interesting year since the union elections will happen. It is sure to be volatile. We need to see if markets can continue its positive momentum throughout 2024. End of the video, here is a question. Do you think there will be significant correction in 2024? Three choices for you to select. A. Nifty correction of 10% or more before elections. B. Nifty correction of 10% or more after elections. C. Nifty will not correct 10% or more throughout 2024. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.